Hi there. If you like coffee, you're gonna love today's project. Today we're going to create a coffee station. It'll be a place that will be organized but yet beautiful and a great way for you to start your day every day. Let's go. Okay, the first step is to designate an area in your home where you want this coffee station. It can be in your kitchen, it can be in your dining room, it can be in your garage or your office, anywhere that you want to have it and it makes sense for you. The second thing you want to do is find your piece of furniture or shelving that you want to use to put the coffee equipment on. So this would be something like maybe a hutch that has doors that you want to use so you can close it when you're not using it. Or you may even want to take the doors off so you can enjoy it all the time. We're using a hutch, so like a table height hutch, and we're putting our equipment on top of it. You can even use shelving, but it has to be really sturdy. So first, find your location you want to put it, and then find that anchor piece of furniture or shelving that you're going to use to put your actual coffee maker on, okay? The next step is to look at all of your supplies. So how much coffee do you have? Do you have tea? Like, I'm actually doing this project and it's for a coffee station. I don't drink coffee, I drink tea. So what we always have in our coffee station is I have the tea that I use. My husband has sweetener and filters and different things. So I think it's good to gather all this up so you have an idea of what you want to store in your coffee station, so then you can decide what type of furniture and storage options that you need. Okay, now that you've identified where you're going to put your coffee station and what your key piece of furniture is going to be, where your coffee maker will sit, now we need to talk about storage for all of your supplies, and we need to talk about fun decor that you can put in the area. So I recommend trying to stick with the current theme you have going on in the room where you're putting your coffee station, but also have fun with it, because this is where you're going to start your day every day. So as we are using a counter height buffet for the anchor piece, I wanted to get some stuff for the wall to kind of, help designate that this is a coffee station. So I got this. This is kind of a command center wall hanging where normally you would put coats and your mail. So I'm going to instead use this to put coffee cups, put this above the hutch, and there's a vase here for flowers. So I really like that. And then here's some storage, however we want to use that. So I like this. This will be a key piece that I'll put on the wall. Additionally, I have a small wooden cabinet that I'm going to put on the wall that will be where we store the tea and coffee and anything else that we want to put in there. I also got some decor pieces. So I've got something that says hello coffee. I got something that says 365 new days, 365 new chances. Figured that's a good way to start the day. Hey, it's a fresh day, go and win your day. So we got that. I got a sign that says coffee, right? And just other fun stuff. I got something that says hi. I love that little hi sign. I got a candle, okay? And then I bought some coffee mugs that I really liked. Now these will be display. We won't use these. These will just be ones that I'll hang and will just always be there. But and I'll also have access to our everyday cups. But I got three of these that say Rise and Shine. They're really cute. Got those from Target. And then I just got some plain ones. Now this color scheme kind of goes with the room where our coffee station is going to go. So that's why I did that. And then I also got some little storage units to put inside the cabinet. This will hold the tea. And I got some other little wooden storage units for sweetener and other things for the coffee. And I got some baskets to go inside the hutch. So I think I have all of my supplies that I need. So I think the key thing is think about how you want to use the environment, think about what you're going to need, and then get the storage and decor items that you want for your space. So the next thing is we're going to start to install everything. So let's go. Okay, we're done. I really like how it turned out. It's exactly what we need in our space, and I think it turned out really pretty. I think it's also going to be fun that as the seasons change, I can swap things up easy, and for a very small budget, you can take and bring in different mugs. How inexpensive is a mug, and they're so easy to store, but put in different pops of color for spring, and put more vibrant colors in. For fall, you can bring in oranges and greens and different colors, and you can even put like pumpkin spice smells and candles, and just enjoy the environment and swapping it up. For Christmas, you can put red flowers, an evergreen kind of small tree. You can even put table runners down. You can put flowers, anything that, any decor that you want to try to take the space that you use every day, but also liven it up for different holidays or seasons. So enjoy. I hope you come back and join us for another project. We do projects like this once a week, so please subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Bye.